Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's Foot Peg set for the 1976 to 2006 Jeep CJ, YJ, and TJ Wrangler. Step 1. Remove the bolt or nut from each door hinge and remove and store the doors. You may need to rock the door back and forth to get it to lift out. We recommend you roll the window down to help protect the glass while stored. Step 2. Insert the shaft of the corresponding foot peg into the lower door hinge. Slide a washer, followed by a hex nut, onto the peg and secure it using a 13mm socket or wrench. Once all the hardware has been secured, then it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Offroad Foot Peg set.